Hello, my YouTube friends. Microsoft Teams is a really powerful tool for businesses and teaching. I love to see that it's being used more and more, and that Microsoft is really giving us a lot of options to configure it up. Today, I'm going to show you how to switch between multiple cameras easily. So if you wanted to do a demo that shows another angle, maybe showing your hands or your feet or something else that you're trying to show students, well, it's really easy to do, and it's really easy to switch cameras right in Microsoft Teams. So let's get to it. If you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you don't miss any new content. Now, personally, I love Microsoft Teams. It's really easy to use, and that's what you really want in a conferencing software. It's not particularly expensive, it's not overly complex, it doesn't have all kinds of stupid features that you don't need, and most importantly, it pretty much does what you expect it to do. There's no background software running that makes things difficult or gives you a result that you weren't expecting. It just works, and that's awesome. So let's jump into Teams, and I'm gonna show you how to switch cameras really easily, and it's so intuitive, you're gonna be shocked that you didn't know how to do it before. So let's do this. Here we are in Microsoft Teams. I'm going to click on Meet Now. You can see we have our meeting set up. If I click this little gear over here next to background filters, you can see when I drop down camera, I have a bunch of different ones listed here. I have my cam link and my general webcam. Now you don't really need to worry about the NewTek NDI or the virtual camera. They are something I have loaded in the background, and they create some interesting problems with this, but you're probably not going to have those, so you don't really need to worry about it. Here we are in our meeting. We're all set. You can see this is my main camera. When I right click on the screen, I'm going to see a little pop-up come up here, and it says switch camera. I can just click on that and it will switch to another camera. You can see that is my general webcam. If I click on it again, it will switch me back to my first camera. As you can see, those other two cameras cause me a little bit of a problem, but once I get back to my main camera, we're good. So if you don't have those other cameras in there, you're not going to have that problem. It's just going to switch back and forth between your two cameras. So when I switch cameras again, you can see I changed the angle. I can show what my hands are doing. So if I wanted to give a drawing display, or I wanted to show people how to play the piano or something like that, well, my second camera angle can show whatever I want. And all I have to do is right click and click on that switch camera, and it will switch me back to my original camera shot. It's really that easy. There isn't much more to it. If you have 3 or 4 cameras in there, you can scroll through each and every one of those cameras if you'd like. Needless to say, I have 4 registered cameras. I just only have 2 that have images on them right now, which is why I have to kind of go through that process. For you, if you only have 2 cameras, you can switch between one and the other really easily using this method, and it works. It's awesome. So what conferencing software are you using and why? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see how to change your background using virtual backgrounds in Teams, you should check this video out right here. Are you always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber? Well, then subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Fire Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.